Guys, I don't know if you can see, but the cows are here. I love the cows. I'm really hoping I'm not gonna run into a skunk today. Let's just pray this doesn't happen. Hey guys, I didn't run into any skunks this morning. I look really tired this morning. I think because I really am. It's surprising what 20 extra minutes when you should have been sleeping. Like, staying up 20 extra minutes will do to you. I feel kind of dizzy too. Maybe I should go get breakfast. Okay, it's Tuesday, September 17, 2019. Get breakfast. Hey guys, so preschool is over and now I'm heading, someone's calling me and I'm heading off to the art class, so gotta go. Anyway guys, yep, so I don't feel Disney anymore, which is good, but I do feel kind of hungry even though I just had lunch, but I don't know. I'll survive. I have to go do this art class and then I'll go home and we'll probably eat dinner and I'll finish some school before that and then I have an appointment and yeah, this truck's going really slow, but it's okay because I'm going to be really early. So, that's about it. Okay, hamburger. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
It's a woodpecker, Charlie.
Oh, that's Woodpecker. Let him out.
No, the Bangor nose was Charlie.
Oh, she flew away.
It was Ashley.
It flew away. Would you like to go out there? Alright guys, calling it the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed, even though it was kind of short and boring. But I'm trying to stay on a schedule. And I'm not going to succumb to making this a trio vlog. So, yeah, so, double vlog on Friday. So, I jump happy. See you guys on Friday. Bye.